Have you guys ever saw those cute little cube lights on Amazon before? This company called Letour sent this out to me to review. Look how beautiful this light is. If you'd like to see how it goes and my initial thoughts and review, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So this really nice company called Letour sent me out this product for me to review. And this is a dynamic lighting USB charging touch lamp. It's a dynamic light and shadow atmosphere light. As you can see, it does some cool things on the ceiling and it's in the shape of a cube. It even has a cute little remote control that can control the settings and give you all these cool different colors so you can have a different effect. Alright, so and this is on Amazon. This is on Amazon and it retails for $20.99. There's a few different versions of it, so I will have a link in my description as to where you can get the exact one that I have here. It's also known as like a cube lamp, so I'm really excited about this. I had been wanting to do this video, but I wanted to wait until it was like actually nighttime so I can give you guys the full effect of how it looks. So let's go ahead and get started and open this up. And it also says here that this is a thoughtful, romantic gift. Okay, so it says Ocean Wave Projector Light. This is the instruction manual. Please read the instructions before use. Okay, so it's showing you how pretty this can be and the different light hues that it can give off. Usage instructions. If the light does not turn on the first time you use it, please charge it before trying again. Okay, so this is a touch operation. Long press to turn off, short press to turn on. And then you can switch between 16 different colors, you guys. Using the remote control, you can adjust the brightness, switch between 16 colors, change modes, and also turn on and turn off. Okay. The exquisitely designed ripple projection light creates a unique visual impression. Its minimalist design features a stylish finish that projects beautiful water ripples, creating a romantic, dreamy, and cozy atmosphere. It's a perfect decorative light for rooms, living spaces, and other areas. So this sounds really fun and very, very pretty. So let's go ahead and get into it. Ooh. We haven't even cut this bad boy on yet, and look at that. Look how pretty that looks by itself. Very, very lightweight. Nice size. Okay. Oh, I wonder if this has batteries in it. Okay, so it has the USB cord plugged up. Most places don't give you like the little charging box anymore, so I had already grabbed one for us to use so we can get this plugged in. Okay, I can see already there's a power button here, so I guess you just kind of touch it. But then also we have the remote control here. Please let there be some batteries. Okay, I believe there is batteries in here. So let's go ahead and get her plugged up. Let's see if I just touch it. Oh, look, it already cut on once I just touched it. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is cut off one light. My one light out. I'm gonna go ahead and just create ring light off. Okay. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at the effect that is giving like right there. You can kind of see it on my hand too. This is very, very pretty. Okay, look at these light colors. Let's keep tapping. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, this is so dreamy. And you just keep tapping and the color just keeps changing. Now, and it's giving like a different, it's hitting a few different colors here. This is so fun. I cannot wait to show this to my children. Wow. Okay, let me show you my ceiling. Do you see the effect? Let me tap it and show you how it looks on the ceiling. Look what it's doing to the ceiling. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that fun? Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see how the remote control works. Oh, I had it backwards. Hold on. Okay, so the remote control can cut it. Okay, I just cut it off with the remote control. Just cut it back on. And I'm just pressing different colors. You can make it brighter. You can make it dimmer. Can you tell? It's dimming. Look how low I'm cutting it down. And now I'm cutting it back up with the remote control. So it does come with batteries. This is just pretty. All the colors you can think of. You can put it back on the white light. Okay, you can click a button that says flash. And it's flashing all the different colors. What does this next one say? Okay, strobe. Let's cut it on strobe. Okay, that's strobe. Fade. Let's see what fade does. Oh. Okay, I like that one. You see how it's fading to different colors? Oh, this is so cute. This is a vibe. What's the button I just pressed just now? What does this say? I can't really see what this says. Hold on, it's a little dark in here. Bear with me. Okay, now this one says smooth. See what you can do with this? I just love how it looks like a pool. You know, at nighttime when the pool is lit up, that's what it looks like on the ceiling and on the walls. It's just like calm pool waters. So this is very cool. Thank you so much, Letour, for sending this out to me. Letour Northern Lighting Company. Thank you so much for sending this out to me. I think this is amazing. And I'm so grateful that there was batteries in this remote control. I think the price is a decent price. And if you don't have the remote control or you don't want to use it, you just go ahead and tap through the colors on the sides. So you can do either or. So if you're laying down and you don't want to walk up to it and tap it, the remote control is right there for you. Okay. Alright, so this does conclude the video. Thanks you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this. If you were considering buying one of these cute little touch lamps, you just might want to go ahead and pick one up. I mean, because this is absolutely gorgeous. I like the fact that you can dim it, you can turn it up, you can turn it down. I like the fact that it's touch. I like all the different color options. And I absolutely love what it's doing to the whole little background area. Love that. Okay, bye-bye. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope that you did find it helpful. I will have a link available where you can purchase this little cube light if you're interested. And thanks again, Letour, for sending this out to me. I absolutely love this light. It's so adorable. It's so beautiful. Plug and play, simple, easy to use, and I greatly appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.